Would you like to make your YouTube videos more accessible to a wider audience? I'll show you how to do that by translating your subtitles into the language of your choice. As an example, I'm going to take this video which I did previously, and if we have a look at the subtitles, we can see obviously that they're in English. How can we get those into, say, Spanish, as I live in Spain? First thing we need to do is to copy the URL of the video and then go to this Little Subs website, and as always there'll be links in the description. Paste the target video and hit download. Download the auto-generated English file. Now when we look at the file, it's in this .srt format, and we need a program that can understand that. I have found this excellent program called Subtitle Edit, and all that we need to do is to open our file, and we can see that the text is obviously in English. At this point, to give the best translation, it's worth going through and just checking that the auto-generated subtitles don't have too many errors in them. For example, in this line here we have the. So one of those is superfluous. What we need to do now is to select all of the text. I do this by doing Control A, and then if we right mouse click, we have the option of using Google Translate directly, and in this instance, as I say, living in Spain, I'm going to translate it into Spanish. You simply hit the translate. Here we can see the results. If you're familiar with the language, you can go through and see if you can find any errors in that. We can save the file. It's actually put the .es on the end here, so we can just save that directly. The final thing we need to do is to upload our now Spanish subtitles. In our edit window, we select the subtitles and add new subtitles in Spanish. Click on upload a file, navigate to our Spanish subtitles, upload that, and we can now see the translation there, and simply hit publish. So as we go through now, we can see the subtitles are now in Spanish. Job done.